Okay, so one time during a school break, I felt like I was about to sneeze. But it wasn't a normal sneeze. It felt like a full on explosion loading up inside my face, so I ran into the hallway holding my nose like I was trying to contain a disaster. At the last second, I burst into the bathroom, slammed the door, and then it happened. I sneezed so hard, the echo came back, and I swear it bounced off the walls 3 times. The mirror fogged up like a sauna, and the hand dryer turned on by itself like it was trying to calm me down. Someone outside yelled, "What was that?" And I just sat there in silence, wondering if I had just unlocked a new level of sneezing. After a minute, I walked out like nothing happened, but for the rest of the day, people looked at me like I had a jet engine hidden inside me.